In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable XML Sitemap in Rank Math. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to toggle so search engines can easily discover your content. Before we begin, a quick note on what an XML sitemap is and why it matters. Think of it as a directory of your site's important pages. When it's enabled, search engines like Google can crawl and index your content more efficiently, which can help new posts get discovered faster and reduce the chance of missing key pages. Start by opening your browser and heading to rankmath.com. This is the home base for the Rank Math SEO plugin. It's useful to quickly confirm you're using Rank Math and to familiarize yourself with features and documentation. Keep this tab handy if you want to reference guides while you work. Next, switch to your WordPress admin and click Rank Math SEO in the left-hand sidebar. This takes you into Rank Math's controls inside your site, which is where the sitemap setting actually lives. If you're using the compact menu, you might see it simply labeled as Rank Math. Either way, click it to open the plugin's main area. From here, click Dashboard. The dashboard shows a grid of modules that you can enable or disable. Each module controls a specific feature of Rank Math, and the sitemap feature is managed right here. If you don't land on the modules view immediately, look for the Dashboard tab at the top and select it. Now scroll down until you find the sitemap module. Toggle it on to enable your XML sitemap. When the switch turns on, Rank Math generates your sitemap automatically in the background. Some setups show a Save Changes button. If you see it, go ahead and save to make sure the setting sticks. That's all you need to do to activate it. To verify it's working, open a new browser tab and visit your site's domain followed by /sitemap index.xml. You should see a simple index page that lists your post, page, and other content sitemaps. If the page doesn't appear right away, clear your site in browser cache and reload. Also make sure you're logged out or using an incognito window if you have any maintenance or coming soon mode enabled. A few quick tips. Only public content should appear in your sitemap, so if something is private or no indexed, it won't be listed. After enabling, you can submit your sitemap URL to your preferred search engine tools to help with discovery. And that's it. You visited rankmath.com, clicked Rank Math SEO, opened the dashboard, and enabled the sitemap module. Your site is now easier for search engines to crawl. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.